Assalamualaikum and hi to all my beloved lecturers and friends. So today me and my group members will present to you our final year project entitled Ecoop. So first of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is Siti Binti Anwar and my matrix number 01DPM1AF2006.
My name is NURUL Syuhada binti Muhammad FAIZAL. My matric number 10DPM18F2005.
My name is NURAFIFAH binti ABDULLAH and my matric number is 10DPM18F2002.
My name is Muhammad FIRDAUS bin ZAINOL. My matric number is 10DPM18F2013.
This project is named as Ecoop as a result of the combination of all functions that involve, which is E stands for easy to use. The main object of this innovation is to develop these Ecoop apps that can provide online buying in cooperative for students. It is very suitable to use in this new era, which has applied cashless practice in our daily life and the increasing modern technological changes. We will explain more about these apps, but first let's take a look at the statement of the problem. We create these apps because we find out that there are some problems that we may be able to overcome by using these applications. The first one is new norms. These new norms requires us to maintain a 1 meter physical distancing, which cause the cooperative have to limit the number of customers that allowed to enter the premise. This can affect small traders who have a limited shop space, including grocery stores and cooperative. Limited space make the number of customers decreasing day by day and affecting their revenue. The second one is long queue. Customers need to wait for the long queue to enter the premise. With the small and limited space, make them need to queue for extra longer than before to get the stuff. Furthermore, customers will feel uncomfortable and their time also limited, as it is necessary to give other customers the opportunity to enter the premise. Thirdly, product availability. Students always have trouble in finding out about the items that they want, either it has been sold out or not. They had a long queue to enter the cooperative and they might feel disappointed if the items that they want is unavailable. Moreover, the product in cooperative is not in orderly condition and there is no price tag, and it makes it difficult for the students to find them. And the last one is efficiency. These applications provide online order service more efficiency to both parties, which are customer and cooperative. By utilizing this application, it will enhance students' experience in making order efficiently. Moreover, this application will also increase the service performance in ordering the stuff, especially in this era of COVID-19. The main objective of our project is to design apps called as Ecoop for cooperative. The specific objective of this study are to investigate the influence of perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use on intention to use Ecoop apps. Next one, to design and develop Ecoop apps for Koperasi POLITEKNIK OMAR sustainability. And the last one is to implement Ecoop apps to Koperasi POLITEKNIK OMAR sustainability.
I'm going to explain the justification of the project. Let's go through one by one. Firstly, to make it easier for users to get the access to buy stuff from cooperative. For example, student or customer can survey the product and get to know earlier if cooperative have a promotion or new product inclusion. Secondly, to enhance cooperative service performance. With Ecoop mobile apps, it will help cooperative gain more profit because mobile applications are multifunctional and provide an overview of the functionality available in business. This will help attract app users to connect with employees and order product or rent service offered in the apps. Thirdly, to avoid from the pandemic COVID-19 and SOP traffic. In the new norm, we must obey with government law and SOP to avoid dissemination COVID-19 among us. So, with Ecoop apps, consumers don't need to queue and be in a crowded situation because they can shopping the essential towards the online platform wherever they are. Next, to reduce time wastage of student and cooperative management. consumer can track their thing either the thing is available or not at a cooperative and help cooperative management reduce their time to controlling the crowded situation. Lastly, provide fast and efficient ways for management to trace the sold out stuff with our online banking system. This will help cooperative management can earlier prepare to restock their things and demand out of control from the customer. Scope of business project. This project will explore the relationship of perceived user wealth and perceived ease of use on behavior intention to use Ecoop apps, which will apply for Koperasi Polytechnic UNGKU chains. According to ZIGMUD 8L 2013, unit of analysis comprised of individual, household, organization department, geographical area or object that research intend to investigate in this project. Therefore, the unit of analysis in this project will be cooperative in Polytechnic UNGKU Ipoh Perak. This justification of selecting the customer of Polytechnic UNGKU is because this application will be utilized by the customer in order to make a purchase processed by the customer efficiently. I will show you our prototype development process. Firstly, the main page of Ecoop apps. The user and admin can click the button provided from the apps. Next, this is the page for a student create their account. To create account, student need to fill all the details like name, metric number, and email. After student already create their account, they just have to fill the information and click login to use the apps. Students finally can access our apps. They can explore our apps and start ordering goods and products. Students will see some categories. They can select the category that is suitable with their needs, such as stationery, or snack, or apparel beverage. Lastly, after they select the category, will come out with the list of the things they want. For example, stationery category, the listing is pen, ruler, marker pen, pencil, and A4 paper. Then, when they found the things they want, they can add to chart and pay.
Now, I would like to introduce the final version of our application. For the use of admin or seller, you can log in using the email and password. Once logged in, you can see the profile information in the top left of the app. You can view a list of available products, add products, and also remove products that are not available. If there is an incoming order, you can see it in the My Order section. You can check order information and receive order. You can also view the history for stock records and accounting purpose. Next, for users and students, you can register by click the sign up button and entering the required informations. When you are done, you can sign in using the email address and passwords. Users can check their personal information in the profile section. In the main section, students can view product categories, ongoing promotion, and also find the product that they want to buy. Users can select a product and add it to the purchase cart. After that, users can make payment using debit or credit card, online banking, and also in cash. Next is the research methodology. We have done a cross-sectional research designed with the sample size of 30 respondents has been utilized in the study. The survey questionnaire has been distributed among the students at campuses PUO.
Now, I will explain about our questionnaire on development of Ecoop for Koperasi Polytechnic UNGKU. Our questionnaire is based on theoretical model, which is perceived ease of use, perceived usefulness, and intention to use. We only focus on the student that live in Polytechnic UNGKU hostel as our target respondent. For respondent information, we ask about gender and hostel block. Besides, we also ask about department and about where did they get their pocket money. And our last question for respondent information is how often they shop at Koperasi PUO. We have 5 questions for perceived ease of use. We have 5 questions for perceived of usefulness. And last, we have 5 questions for intention to use. Result of the survey for gender is the number of gender respondents for female is 18 students and for male is 12 students. For hostel, as we can see, the highest participant respondent came from the Lima hostel and the lowest came from Mutiara hostel. For department, the result is common department student is the highest number of respondents, that is 9 students, while we got the same accounted from marine engineering and IT department, which is 6 students. For the pocket money, the highest respondent choose from PTPTN. And for frequency shop at Koperasi, the highest respondent came to shop at Koperasi PO is every week. The result of perceived ease of use is majority of respondents are strongly agree with all of our statement for perceived ease of use. For perceived usefulness, the result is respondents are more likely would strongly agree for our statement in perceived usefulness. And the result of intention to use is respondents are agree with the statement for intention to use of our apps. For discussion, we are quite pleased with the result of our survey. That means students are very interested to use our apps. Based on our survey that we have been distributed, majority of the respondents are agree and strongly agree with all of our statement to this app. That means our app is very functioning and give benefit to the student or even the staff. We have several suggestions for future project, which is this app will be published and expand for iOS and Windows. Second is, we will open up advertising space in our app to rent to merchant or anyone who want to create marketing. And the last one is, app will be more features and data integration. For conclusion, the app that we need to develop for this project are successfully being developed within the time we need. That means we managed to achieve our goal for these apps. Moreover, this application will make both sides, which is the Koperasi staff and student, more easier and help to reduce the wastage of time and energy.